Well, what's the crack? Welcome to Absolutely Marinated. I sure have a few cans. Christ, what is that? Some sparkling wine that I've in a can. So anyways, today I am making my Mexican eggs Benedict job. Chorizo, eggs, avocados, jalapenos, all that stuff. Fairly straightforward. Let's get stuck in. So for this version of Mexican eggs Benedict, we have some eggs, as you can well imagine. We have some Mexican chorizo. It's a lot softer than its dried Spanish counterpart. Some chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, some butter, cilantro, English muffins that I made. I would have a video, but I fucked up in recording, so I don't have that. And then to garnish, we have avocados, lemon, jalapeno, and of course some queso fresco cheese as well. Start off by frying your chorizo. Now, in hindsight, it isn't the most appealing looking shot, and it would have been a lot easier if I used a non-stick pan, but sure, here we are. Anyways, onto the hollandaise. Get it a double boiler on the go, some water onto a gentle rolling boil, in a metal bowl or glass bowl if you have it. 4 egg yolks for jokes. Keep them whisk, as I try whisking about 2 to 3 chipotle peppers, and some of that adobo sauce. Once you have that done as well, then I like to throw in some lemon juice to help stabilise the yolks so they don't split. Throw in some room temperature Kerrygold in slowly, throw them in lumps. I think you can do see it in butter, but I couldn't have been arsed melting the butter, so I do it this way. If she starts to get a bit too thick, then just add a bit of water, help loosen her out. That's what she said. Now, on to poaching your eggs. Add a bit of vinegar to the water you have been boiling, give her a swirl, and I like to add my eggs to the bowl. Eggs to the pot via a small bowl. Stops any shells getting involved and all that kind of jazz. So 2 to 3 minutes and your eggs should come together and be poached. Take it out, throw it on some paper towels to drain before assembly. Throw your toasted English muffin down on your plate. Throw some of that sliced avocado on top. Good healthy spoons of that chorizo that you fried off earlier. Obviously after that we'll throw down our poached egg. We didn't do it for the good of your health. So spoon over some of that Chipotle hollandaise sauce, and then some queso fresco, jalapeno and cilantro to how you like it. It's been my Mexican style eggs Benedict. Please be sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below if there's something you'd like to see me make. Thanks for watching, good luck.